Hey gamers and tech enthusiasts, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're reviewing the powerhouse ViprTech Reaper 3.0 liquid-cooled PC, a gaming desktop designed to crush your expectations. Before diving into the details, be sure to check the link below for the best price and deals on this beast of a gaming rig. Design and cooling. The ViprTech Reaper 3.0 screams premium with its sleek black chassis and customizable RGB lighting. The aesthetics are modern yet aggressive, making it the perfect centerpiece for your gaming setup. The liquid cooling system not only enhances its visual appeal but also ensures efficient thermal management, allowing the system to run cool and quiet even during intense gaming sessions. Performance. At the heart of the Reaper 3.0 is the AMD Ryzen 7 7700 processor with a turbo boost up to 5.3 GHz. This powerhouse delivers lightning-fast speeds for multitasking, gaming, and productivity. Paired with the RTX 4070 Super 12GB, this system handles the latest AAA titles and VR gaming like a dream. Expect stunning visuals, buttery smooth frame rates, and a truly immersive experience. With 32GB DDR5 6400 MHz RAM, you can say goodbye to lag and hello to seamless multitasking. The 2TB NVMe SSD offers blazing fast storage, ensuring you never run out of space while enjoying rapid load times for your games and applications. Gaming and VR ready. This PC is VR ready, making it a top pick for virtual reality enthusiasts. The RTX 4070 Super ensures ultra-realistic graphics, ray tracing, and DLSS support for an unparalleled gaming experience. From FPS shooters to open-world adventures, this system handles it all effortlessly. Connectivity and power. The 800 watts Gold PSU is not only energy efficient but also provides the stable power required for peak performance. With built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, you get reliable connectivity for online gaming, streaming, and wireless peripherals. The inclusion of Windows 11 further enhances productivity and gaming features with its sleek interface and gaming-optimized tools. Key features at a glance. AMD Ryzen 7 7700 processor, turbo boost up to 5.3 GHz for blazing performance. RTX 4070 Super 12GB, stunning graphics and smooth frame rates for the latest games. 32GB DDR5 RAM, ultra-fast multitasking capabilities. 2TB NVMe SSD, ample, high-speed storage. Liquid cooling, keeps your system cool and quiet under pressure. VR ready, dive into virtual reality seamlessly. 800 watts Gold PSU, stable and energy-efficient power supply. Windows 11 Home, gaming-friendly OS for modern needs. Pros. Exceptional gaming and multitasking performance. Beautiful liquid-cooled design with RGB lighting. Plenty of high-speed storage and memory. Ready for VR and next-gen gaming. Advanced cooling for extended gaming sessions. Cons. Premium price point, but worth it for the specs. RTX 4070 Super is fantastic but might not fully future-proof for extreme future demands. Final verdict. The ViprTech Reaper 3.0 liquid-cooled PC is a high-performance beast that delivers everything a gamer or creator could want. From its lightning-fast speeds to its stunning design, this desktop stands out as one of the best in its category. If you're looking for a reliable gaming PC that performs exceptionally well while looking amazing, this is it. Don't wait, click the link below to get the ViprTech Reaper 3.0 today and level up your gaming experience.